Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2017 through 2021 Audi A4 sedan. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack set of four, and the WingBar Evo load bars set of two, offered in silver or black, and then the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of four of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and four molded rubber base pads, both of which have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are in the instruction sheet that's included with the fit kit in order to guide you into the correct placement on the proper foot. Here's an example. This is 1 foot. We'll take off that outer cover, and you can see we've already applied a front left sticker. So we would just reference the manual and find the numbered base pad that is for that front left position and press it to the underside of the foot. And then we do the same with the door frame bracket and just insert with a click. Next, within the foot, you have these silver tabs, and that's what will hold the load bar in place. This is the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. And this is a section that we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is this dedicated track here that allows for attachment of certain carriers directly to the top of the bar for a very clean method of attachment. Now, when it's time to install the foot to the underside of the bar, you have a measuring device, and it too has numbers which correspond to numbers that are on the instruction sheet to make sure that the foot is placed properly within this track on the underside. So let's do that next. We'll just take off this end cap, and then we'll grab the foot and press in on those silver tabs, and then slide the foot onto the bar, bringing it down to that measuring strip there. Now you'll notice we have some exposed track area here. We want to fill that in with rubber that's provided. We just cut that rubber to measure to fill in that gap. And that'll help to maintain the good aerodynamic performance of the load bar. Let's go ahead and put the end cap back into place. Now, when it's time to attach and secure this to the door frame of the vehicle, Thule's provided a tool here, and you just insert the tool to the fastener and tighten. Once you're fully tightened, that handle will click, indicating you've tightened it completely. Now let's go ahead and put the outer cover back into place. We just insert and snap that on. Give that plastic plug a quarter turn to hold that on. However, you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal keyed lock cylinder. This is part of Thule's one key system, so that you can get a set of 4 matched cylinders so that all 4 of your feet will be key matched. That can be extended out to other Thule one key system products so that all of your Thule products can work off the same key. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the Audi A4. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options for this roof rack system. Also, when it's time to do the installation, we have a supplemental video that can also support the installation with more in-depth details from start to finish on a vehicle. Okay, well, those are all the details, and thanks for watching.